Hello, I'm Adi. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Office from Microsoft Office 365 portal. First, open your browser and enter portal.office.com. Please enter your email and password. Now you have successfully logged in O365 portal. On your right top, you will see Install Office button and click on it and choose Office 365 apps. Once you click Office 365 apps, the link installer will automatically download. After finish download, double click on it for Install Microsoft Office app. Click Yes to continue the installation and will take for a few minutes to finish. After finish install, you can open any Microsoft app for activation. New windows will prompt and please choose Sign In. Please enter your email address and password for activation. Congratulations! Now the Microsoft Office has successfully activated. Thank you. Now you have learned how to download Microsoft Office apps. See you in the next video.